Hello Pixels lovers, so I want to show you this software that you can use to customize your high level software. And so yeah, this software is called the Marketers Toolkit. This is made by Tom Bristol. I think this is one of the best founders that you can search in the high level community. And yeah, so what you can do here is like create different teams for your high level. And for example, here's the team A, this team B, C, and I actually have the team, this one, this red team. So yeah, I think this looks great, and it's going to it's going to customize your software very great. And I try to quote with different developers, and I think this is very cheap compared to that. So let's go deep into that. And yeah, so it's very easy to add this software, to install this software. Is just a custom JavaScript that you have to add it in the settings, in company settings, in your agency company settings. And it's just like a JavaScript and then custom CSS, and then you can just do everything inside here. Okay, so you have top navigation theme, and I think this is great, but I don't like it for my software. But I've seen different agencies that use it. So this is the top navigation like this. Okay, this is all of the themes, and you can pause it and see it. But this auto saves, like if you go to another one, it's going to erase this drop down. And yeah, so team key. So there are a lot of themes right here, and the side navigation theme, that's what I was using before, and then I'm using the Sassy sidebar theme. But yeah, you have a lot of presets like this. Okay, I think this looks very great. And then the Sassy sidebar, and I think this is one of the best because you have animations with it. But if you don't like all of the themes, you can also customize it, like click it like this and customize the font, the dashboard, the card headers, everything just like this, and you don't have to buy a developer or anything. Like it's very easy. So let me show you what it looks with just the software as it is. So I have some customization. As you can see, I have like a purple code. Well, this is how it looks without the software. And looks, for me it was great, but I hired a CSS developer to make it like this, and I had to invest on this, and it was expensive, and it wasn't great, for example this team builder. And let me show you how it looks with the team builder. It looks like this, and there's like an animation, as you can see, and there's no animation here. It's just like a hover, and there's an animation like this. And I think this looks very great. And for the conversation, also changes a lot. So let's go into conversation in the high level theme. So let me click it. Okay, so it looks like this, all the conversation. And if you compare, I think this looks great. Okay, so you can see send SMS, send email, and also you have all of the tags like this. And if you see the high level, I don't like it too much. And also there's different features, and I will show you in a bit, but I want to finish with the team builder. There's actually a lifetime deal right now, so I think you should grab it because it's a limited offer. But and then monthly is going to be 97 per month, and the lifetime 997. I think that's a good price. 997, 1000. This is what you will pay to a developer. So I think it's a great offer. So yeah, this is how it looks without without a customization, and this is how it looks with the Sassy sidebar theme. And there are a lot of things that you can also add, and I will show you in a bit. But I just want to finish with how the comparison with the high level theme. So yeah, so let's go to contact, and let's go to contact. Okay, so this is how it looks. And this autosave is also with the marketers toolkit. So there are a lot of different small features and that will save you time, and it's going to make your customers see it very easy, you know. And well, this is how it looks, and this is with the theme. So I think it looks great. And also I think you can add tags in here. um, so yeah, very 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 different. I think this is better. For the opportunities, let's go to opportunities. So you see the card, and there's no card in here, so it make it look very beautiful. So let's go to opportunities now and compare it. So this is how it looks with the team and the marketer's toolkit, because there are different, those are different software. It's just one the team, and the other is the toolkit customizer. So you see team builder and high level customizer, and I'm going to show you that is like a JavaScript, different features, and it's very very powerful. And you'll see how I'm using it. For but yeah, this is how it looks. You can make it like this. This is the marketer's toolkit software, the customizer software, and the team builder make it look like this. And this is just with without the customization. And this ClickUp style of the cardboards is also from the toolkit, the customizer toolkit. And yeah, so this is how it looks. I think it looks very beautiful. And I'm going to show you also the login themes that you can add. So this is how it looks for me. And there's a GIF in here, but sorry, my internet is not very cool, but it's a GIF in my login theme. And I was using the team A, but you can also set up that in here and change it with your logo and everything, and add different GIFs. So this is the login team, make it look very cool. And loading animation, this is when you are refreshing your software. So for example, when I refreshing, I have like a pulsating logo, and it's my logo Dentrica. So this is how it looks, my pulsating logo, and when this is loading. And yeah, you can add different animation like this, and also with your logo. So this is the spinning logo and bouncing logo, pulsating logo. Sorry, my internet. So let's just wait to this to load. This is how it looks. This is the spinning logo, bouncing logo, pulsating logo, still logo. I actually have the bouncing logo, and but I was using the spinning logo, and that actually looks also very great. You can also change the dashboard grab style. Okay, this. You can add your favicon. So as you can see here, this is the logo of my agency. This is the favicon that I have. So you can also customize and add your favicon settings. Rename the menu indents. For example, instead of launchpad, you can make it called like a quick onboarding activation. The dashboard, you can make it called I don't know, help business health or something like that. Conversation, maybe omni-channel. Calendars, instead of calendars, maybe appointments. So you can change all of the menu also in here. And also location logos, this is with the customizer, but you can add different. So as you can see here, I have, for example, this is one client. So let me show you the client. So yeah, for example, here I have my pulsating logo, but I don't know if you can see here, this is my logo, but then this overrides with the logo of my customer, of my client. So this also make it more personalized. So this is going to take a little while. So I'm going to refresh it so you can see it. So yeah, here it is. This is the logo of my client, and you can also customize all of the dashboard with the logo and of your client. And I think that's very 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 cool to add it. And yeah, hide integration cards, so you can also hide, for example, QuickBooks, Stripe, Clear integrations. And for the dashboard, you can also hide account admins user different cards, and also buttons, add different buttons, hide launch pad items. For example, I'm hiding Jax and web chat. And you can add also colors to the horizontal scroll bar in the opportunities. Here's this is the scroll bar that I have. You can make it with another color. And hide elements on opportunity cards. You can also hide different things, for example, the source, the tags, you know. And you can hide all of that information from here. And also you can change you can change how the card looks in the opportunity with different tags. Okay, so for example, I don't know, like I'm going to add this, and you can add like a background of, I don't know, green. and then add it to here, and then all of these cars are going to show with the green color. So I think this is all not ready set up because I don't see a save button. But yeah, that actually the team builder, it's like 1 month old. So yeah, that's why they have this incredible pricing that is 997 as the lifetime deal, because it's like a launch price. And yeah, so you can add a lot of stuff. Like I really like Tom Bristol's software because I bought it when there was nothing inside the software, and then he just start adding a lot of stuff. For example, he added the translations, and I'm actually selling this in Mexico to dentists, and he added a Spanish language, and he added French, Italian, German, and there's a lot of things also. So if you can see, this is all of the translations that you can add in different language for the software. So yeah, so you can change all of these with the customizer. So there are different things. It's the team builder that's not 97. So if you want to customize your team, I recommend you to go for it, like of 97. And if you want the all of the things, for example, the to make it look like this, to compress the view here, to add this warning, to add bubble notifications, make it with sounds. um, if you want the translations also, that's all in the customizer. So this is a different product, and you can change the menu to different locations IDs. So for example, for this location, I'm actually showing the chat bot that I have, blogs, also, support and run ads inside here. So this is with the customizer, and you can set this menu to different locations. So you have to go to location settings and add different locations, and then the menu is going to show up for all of these location IDs. And yeah, so you can add the agency menu, user menu, all the account location menu. But this is the best, like the customizer features. So for example, the opportunity pipeline, you have the contact button on edit opportunity. If you go here, so let me show you, and he actually find a way to decrease the support. So that's why they have a lot of small features, because sometimes people didn't know how to what to click or where to go. So yeah, for example, here instead, without a customizer, is going to show up like this, and some people didn't know how to go to the contact details, and they just have to click this, but many people didn't know. So that's why Tom added a button here that says go to contact details, and that's actually this feature that you just have to enable like this, and it's very easy to enable. Show date in opportunity cards, that's actually here that you are going to show the dates in the opportunity card. And compress opportunity view, this is this feature. Enable click a drag and dragging opportunities. This is the feature to make it just like this, because without it you have to move it with a scroll bar, and with it you can move it with just your mouse. So that's actually what he implemented. So quick features, but is very 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 great. There's actually a problem. Sometimes people didn't know, like, why do I have 4 leads? Because we have 497 leads, but sometimes people think like they just have 4 leads because they have like a filter in here. So that's why he show a warning when you have a filter. He's showing a warning here. So that's also, and collapse the pipeline, so make it look like ClickUp style. So this is the pipeline look. And also contact details. Contact is for example, if you go to the contact, yeah, you can see that in the contact details, if you add like a drive Google, this is going to make it open in Google Drive. It's going to, if you have an address, it's going to appear this like viewing in maps. More call as read or address autocomplete is going to use the API of Google to find an address. So yeah, let's go to this information and additional info, and yeah, you can see. all of different stuff of features. And this is this is actually very great, like contact details autosave. So if someone is changing the email address, you can enable the autosave. So yeah, so if someone changes like here, it's going to autosave. And also the user last login, I think this is very great, but because you can see how many staff members last login to the software. And user import export contacts, like you can make user import the contacts or add another database. And this is very great, like Twilio and Megon integration. Like if you go to settings and then go to integration, you can see Twilio and Megon. So I'm going to turn this actually on. And he actually did this like yesterday, or I think in 8 hours ago. And I think this is great because it's going to you can sell the software, and you don't have to request for the information of the Twilio account or Mailgun account. You can just make them go to integration and then click the Mailgun and Twilio account auto issue token, and they can save it in here. So that feature, it costs a lot of money. Okay, so I think I saw it like 3,000 for just that feature, and then you have it with the customizer. And guess what? The toolkit member is 4,000. Okay, so you can go to the lifetime deal, or you can go to the 297, but the lifetime deal is very limited. Like I've seen this lifetime deal more cheaper, and I've seen this lifetime deal disappear sometimes. So if you see it, I think you should go for it if you want to customize and have all of this information also. And enable notification settings and sounds. This is the settings here. The show bubbles, play sounds, and also logo click goes to dashboard. When they click this link, it goes to dashboard. And disable the annoying Twilio warning. You can also remove it. And add a search in the custom values is actually it saves you a lot of time, like search the custom value here. And hide the location switch is when you have someone that has only one sub account. You can just hide every location, and just if they just have one location, it's not going to show the location switch. Okay, so blur contact details for demos. Conversation view, if you go to the conversations, and you can see how many people open, read, or click the emails. So for example, here you can see that this email was open, for example. So if you can see, it's going to take a little time, but it's going to show like deliver, open, or click or not. Open, accept, deliver. Open, accept, deliver. But you can also see if they click the email or not. And filter conversation by assigned users. So that's actually also very great, because you can filter by someone that is, for example, the sales manager. You can also filter by all of the conversation that the same manager has assigned to. And also message upgradings, like make it more big. This you can expand this. I think it's like here, they click it. Yeah, I think you can make it more bigger, but I don't remember how. Otherwise, I think you have to go to the contact details, and then I think you can expand in here. No, okay, I don't know why this is not working, but it should. But yeah, so filter conversation by type, SMS, email. So you can also filter the conversation in there. So where is that? Filter conversation by type and SMS. So there are a lot of things that I actually haven't seen. Yeah, it's here. A filter for by email or different chats. So let me see if I can filter by last message, email, my chats. Okay, so that's also for the marketers toolkit. And add a contact search for the calendars. If you have a calendar, go to the contact in appointment. So if the appointment is this, like go to the appointment or change it. Make it as a smart list. Import file mapping for contacts. When you are adding a new database, you can map for the contact fields. and that's actually very great for database reactivations. And you can convert a funnel into a website or a website into a funnel. And this is also very cool. Like see if someone is having an integration of Facebook Aspire, so it will save you a lot of time. So yeah, I think this is very great also. And you can also add like a buttons inside the, for example, um, for the dashboard, you can add different buttons in here. I have like a star hit button, and translations. You can add those translations, and set up different user settings, like show different things to admins or users. Add quick actions, for example. You can add a quick action here and add another action inside the quick actions. So yeah, I think this is very cool. And you can, what I like is that you can create different menus for different locations. So for example, I have two locations that are showing this menu, and you can make it look like this. Like for example, this customize me. And also, and this is one of the best features that I've saw, is that you can push the form responses to custom values. And I will show you that in a second, but this will decrease your onboarding setup, like super decrease it. And yeah, so I have a funnel, for example, here in the customize me, and this says activation. And I will show you this with also the webinar snapshot, because I also sell snapshots, and I have the same. This is like activation funnel, and I have different steps that they have to complete to make it to launch their automations. Okay, so and customize all of the software. So for example, I have one video here that gives them a quick overview of the high level software, and then if they go to colors, there are going to be different funnels. Okay, let me go to the step one of the prices. There's a video, and they have to understand how to set up the prices, and this is actually the lead value. And as you can see, this says what 100. This is actually a custom value. This custom value is in settings. So let me go to settings, and you'll see that this custom value is price of the consultation. And this takes 30 seconds to load because it's the API to load. Or and as you can see here, it says price of consultation, and there's something here, a placeholder is called custom values, price of the consultation. And they just have to set up, sorry, 100, and then just click save, and this will push the information to the custom value, and that is with the customizer. Okay, so yeah, I'm not going to show that but I also have here mark as complete, and they have to complete all of the steps. This is another software that is called quick list, and I actually, if you go to my store, my marketing.store, I have that that in there. But this is a very good feature, because for example, you have pricer and custom values, and you have to show that custom value in different message. You can make them create their offer and push that to a custom value and add it to all of the workflows and automations. For example, the logo, if you have a logo, you can add the URL of the logo in the form, and then push the custom values and make that logo show up in every funnel. And I will show you that in a second. So for example, I have here see your landing live, and you can see here I have like this form is also with the marketer toolkit, and I have like a color. It is a blue color, and this is a green color. And guess what? These colors are shown in the footer and header of all of the funnels, and this is in all of the buttons of the funnels. So you can also customize based of the brand of your customer. So this is the blue and the green. And as you can see here, this is blue, and this is green. Okay, so that's what I set up. Like I created this automation to make the footer and the header set up with those colors, and the bottom with this green color. So if I change it, like make it change it, it's going to change this to the account. And I'm not going to change it right now, because this is actually an account. But if they click it save, it's going to push to custom values and make it look all of the fullness with that. And also the logo is a custom value. All of these are custom values. Everything is a custom value in here actually. and it's going to make it show up like that. And okay, so we have reviews, happy birthday, different campaigns, and this is a funnel that I use to make the onboarding more easy. So yeah, so I also have here in the aggregation for the webinar snapshot. The webinar snapshot has like 40 custom values, and I make when I create a snapshot, I make this activation snapshot for the from the Pixels Academy, and it's like different steps to set up their webinar, and it's just like that, like create them, create their account, set up their colors, their information, the webinar name, the registration name, and all with the Marketer's Toolkit software, the push form responses to custom values feature, and it's a high level add-on. As you can see, I think you should buy it. I think you should go for it because this will create your um, this will decrease your support and onboarding. And this feature, just this feature, I think is worth a lot of money. So for example, if we go to registration, and there's going to be a lot of information, and it's all the steps here, the steps completed with the Quizlist account, the support, the shop, like manage plan, contact us, and all of this set up with this funnel. And if we go to the registration page, so let me set up here, continue. So my internet is very bad. I don't know why this is not loading, but it's basically the same concept. Like it's going to show all of this. So if you buy the Marketer's Toolkit, it's 997, and I'm going to give you a bonus if you buy the full Toolkit member lifetime deal or the agency lifetime deal. You just have to buy with my affiliate link that is called special deal. And if you buy this, I'm going to include the SaaS activation snapshot, which is this one. I'm going to include this one, the SaaS activation snapshot. And yeah, so you can onboard your customers more easily. And you have to buy it because if you don't buy it, it's not going to push the forms to custom values. So this is a quick bonus, but I think it's worth it. Without the bonus, I think it's worth it, like buying this software. And Tom Bristol is one of the best founders that I saw, and he's actually improving every month, and I think he's great. Like he's doing a great job with all of this, and he's saving me a lot of time and making me a lot of money. So yeah, so the customizer I think is great. You can add header buttons, opportunity tabs, custom buttons, contact buttons, quick actions, customize your launch pad, the user settings, menu edits, and all of these features. Just this feature, the one that is the recent release, the Twilio Meltdown integration. I think just that feature is worth it. Like just with that, I think is worth to have it. So let me just save all of this, save it, and then you have to publish to live, and you just have to enter this script in the Java agency settings custom JavaScript. So yeah, go for it. I don't think this lifetime deal is going to last a lot of time. So then you have to go to the agency and the 297 per month. But if you just want to buy something to customize your account, your high level account, and make it your own, I think you should go to the 997 lifetime deal. Okay, so yeah, if you buy it, you can you can get this for free. The SaaS activation snapshot. Just clear your cookies, so the affiliate link triggers, and it's going to be free for you. That's the price that I'm selling, 297, but it's going to be free if you buy the customizer. And then well, I'm going to add different instructions. Go to the academy with my size wiki, the Pixels Academy, and then you can search in the Pixels Academy the webinar snapshot information. Okay, so this is the academy. If you see here, this is it says academy.nailsalsell. This is my name, and this is the SaaS wiki, and it's all of my information about SaaS, how to start your own SaaS software. And if you search here the webinar snapshot is going to show up the webinar snapshot how it works. And also, if you go and set activation, it's going to give you a lot of tips on how to activate your users, the activation, the SaaS activation uh, step. And also, if you want to sell, like create your offer, your SaaS offer, it's going to give you different stops like sell like crazy notes. The webinar snapshot also gives you different tips to sell without demos. So I have it like this. sales SaaS without demos, building your SaaS offer, checking different SaaS websites. Actually, Lead Dragon is actually using the marketer's toolkit to make it look more beautiful. So if you go to Lead Dragon and see all of his website, and I think this is one of the best websites that I've saw, because he's customizing the software to make it his own, and he actually has like 100 members. So I think this is very very great. So I don't know why this is not loading, maybe their website. But yeah, one of the best websites and customized high level dashboards that I've seen. And yeah, so okay, so I don't know why this is no loading, but try to enter to leaddragon.io, and you're going to see how they customize their software using the marketer's toolkit to make it look like this, but in a blue color. And yeah, like go for it, go to the team builder, and it's going to be like this, like Sassy Team Builder. You can set up and customize or use different presets, and I think it looks very very beautiful, as you can see here. It looks, I think the animation looks very very beautiful, and you can do a lot of stuff. And Tom Bristol is adding a lot of things every day. And actually this feature, the recent releases, this feature is actually new, like it was like 8 hours ago. So yeah, go for it, and just let me know if you have questions. I appreciate if you buy from my affiliate link. If not, that's okay. I have a lot of information in my size week if you want more free more stuff free. And yeah, so let's go.